An example of a complex sentence with an adverb clause. After Bill graduated, he enlisted in the Navy. He enlisted in the Navy is an independent clause. After Bill graduated is a dependent clause functioning as an adverb. The word after is a subordinating conjunction introducing the dependent clause and making the clause an incomplete thought. Bill graduated is a complete thought. After Bill graduated is an incomplete thought. An example of a complex sentence with an adjective clause. The document that you proofread has several mistakes. The document has several mistakes is an independent clause. That you proofread is a dependent clause functioning as an adjective. It describes which document. The word that is a relative pronoun introducing the dependent clause and functioning as the direct object of the dependent clause that you proofread. An example of a complex sentence with a noun clause functioning as the subject of the sentence. What happened today was a surprise. What happened today is a noun clause functioning as the subject to the verb was. What was a surprise? What happened today was a surprise. The word what is a relative pronoun introducing the noun clause what happened today. The relative pronoun what is functioning as the subject of the verb happened within the noun clause.